If you've lost access to your Model Mayhem account and don't have your phone number to recover it, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Model Mayhem login page. Go to the official Model Mayhem website and click on the login option. This will direct you to the page where you can enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once on the login page, locate and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. In the password recovery form, input the email address associated with your Model Mayhem account. Make sure it is the correct email to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click the link in the email and follow the instructions to reset your password. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Model Mayhem's customer support for further assistance.